Yeah?
What are you doing?
I'm getting ready so we can go. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello. Welcome if you are new. Today, let me put myself together. At least putting like my face together. Hear me out. I've been at home all day doing chores. Chores which I did not think were going to take a whole day. But here I am. So, what is this? What was going on there? So, I already primed my face before I realized I wasn't recording. We're gonna get ready. I'm gonna get ready. Me. I'm pretty sure they're getting ready. I'm hungry. I want to go out to eat today. So, I put on this Essence Primer. It's Hello Good Stuff Glow Serum Primer. Nothing fancy. Then I'm gonna come in with my Wet n Wild Bare Focus Nice Cinnamon Skin Tint. What shade am I? Do you tell me? You tell me, don't you? Don't you? No? I don't think it tells me what shade this is. Oh, fair beige. Right there on there. And honest to God, a little goes a long way, so I just come in on my sponge, 3 little drops. It's probably a lot. I'm not doing anything big, heavy, fancy. Ooh, I lied. It's a skin tint. We're dreamy and we're thin. Cover it. Who was I to say 3 drops and you're good? What was that? I used something recently and 3 drops gave me so much coverage. Yeah, they're getting ready. I can hear them getting ready. They all have to put music on to get ready. But like, I already do that too. My poor little nose. Alright, then we're going to come in with some bronzer. I was like, where'd all my brushes go? Threw them off to the side. I'm like super hesitant whether this actually picks up enough. I feel like it does though. Oh, this is from Melt, by the way. It's the Nova Glow Lighter Highlight Bronzer. Glow Lighter. You know what I mean. Color, hello. Color. And this is a little trick that I do. I come in with a smidge at the edge of my eyelid. I wanted to say my eye bone, which like sorta, but just on the edge. Nothing fancy. Doesn't have to be perfect. Rub it in, smudge it in. And this is my mom quick get ready with me. Is that what I should title this? Am I gonna remember to title this this? Maybe. Anywho. Pop this on. Real quick. I love that it's a magnet. And then blush. I picked my MAC blush because I haven't used it in a while. And she's looking so pretty. Hello, ma'am. Yeah. Ooh. It is so hard for me to not like drag her all the way across my face. I'm trying to keep her at the edge of my eye and up. Well, out, up. Does that make sense? If you're watching, yes. If you're not and you're just listening, yes. And whatever's left on there, I just do this. Sometimes I will come in and put this on the center or like bat this down on the center of my eye so it kind of gets towards the beginning and the end. But just in the middle of my eyelid. adds color everywhere. Again, we're not looking for perfection. We're looking for quick, get it, got it, go. And then I have my Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder that I've been using lately, loving lately. Ever since I did that Essence video. Did I post it? Good question. Nothing fancy. I do, as I say, I do sweat a lot. Fun fact, I don't sweat a lot, but I am oily so bad. So bad. So, she goes everywhere. I immediately want to add more blush. So, I'm coming back in with my blush. And yeah, this is speedy because this is real time. We're getting ready and I don't know when they're just going to come pounding on the door and being like, we're hungry, let's go. We're ready, head out. So, that. Let me come in with some Ciate London setting spray. Kind of wet her down. There's a few bigger droplets like right here. I just come back in with my sponge. And I learned this from Ally Glines. Super helpful. You can come in and just pat it down or roll it. And I do that wherever I see like big drops of my setting spray that have accumulated. Otherwise, great base, right? Hello. Real quick, real easy. I'm going to come in with my Benefit Gimme Brow Plus. This is a shade 3.5. I don't think I'm a 3.5, and that's why I keep it in here. So I can use it with my fancy makeup looks. But I'm just going to do this really lightly. Just like a tinted brow gel. Nothing fancy. Color it in. See? That's it. Nothing fancy. Color it in. That's it. I feel like I get a better view of my brows when I scrunch them around. Does anybody else feel that way? Peasy, right? That's gonna do that. Oh, mascara. Oh, I don't like any of these right here. I'll just do my Essence one since she's excuse me. Oh, I was like, where's my mirror? We're gonna come with my Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. She's a cutie patootie, and I'm hungry. Nothing fancy. We wiggle her in and up. And I've been going between either doing the top and bottom or just the top. Normally, goodness, for the longest time I only done the top. But lately I'm like, what's the bottom all about? Hello, ma'am. We'll just do the top. Because I'm trying to look more awake with less effort. I think I need to get my lashes permed again. I don't necessarily need it, but I feel like it just makes me that much more fancy. Va va voom. And then I have this lip pencil from Appeal. It's a gel liner in Desert Taupe. Looks cute. I know this will come off when I'm eating, but yeah. Lip liner doesn't have to be perfect. I'm coming in with this Cutie Patootie from ColourPop. It's the So Juicy Plumping Glossy Lip Oil. Glossing. Can we? Now I'm kind of worried. Are you going to plump like the gloss is going to be cute? Or are we going to plump like it's going to burn my lips? Y'all saw that. smells okay. Like, sweet. Ooh, hi. We're pretty. Oh no. I'm a little worried. I feel like you're gonna be burny. Please don't burn. But anywho, that's it. This is my look. I'm gonna fix my hair. I'm gonna pull it back. Probably into a low bun. Nothing too fancy, but this is it. This is my look. We're going out to eat. That took me like 10-15 minutes. This is all gonna come off. I'm worried this is gonna burn. Please don't burn. Don't. Just don't. Anywho, thanks for hanging out with me. If you like what you saw, you can hit that like and subscribe button and let me know in the comments what products you use for your quick get ready with me kind of things. Usually for me it's like just sunscreen and some mascara, maybe some blush and setting spray depending on the day, but like today we're going out, we're gonna be cutesy. I'm gonna do this thing. I will catch you in my next video. Bye.